friends. Today I will discuss about Tip Top ice cream, which is very famous in all over the world. So basically, this one is a New Zealand-based company, which they started a business in 1936. So next, please. So Tip Top established a business in 1936, as well as said before, by the Albert Hammond. And there is a many distribution center in New Zealand. Which one is a Wellington, and the other one is Dunedin and Auckland as well. So the main head office is in Auckland. So other one is the tagline, which is very attractive, which is a good share market in the Tip Top. So ice cream product with no vegetable oil such as the palm oil. So in the ice cream they use mostly dairy products, which for before the Tip Top ice cream owned by the Wettis company, as discussed about the yesterday. So now the Frontera is on the company, Tip Top. So now their Tip Top ice cream basically under in the Frontera. They use the Frontera dairy products to make new ice creams and develop more products in the market. So next please. Yeah. So there you can see the pictures. There are many varieties of ice creams available in the market. There are some in the box. There are some in the bars, and there are some little box, small box. It depends on the quantity, depends on the quality, and depends on the choice of customers and taste as well. So as a large variety of flavors, if you want, you can check on a website, on a social media site. There are a huge variety of flavors available in the market. So Tip Top recently launched a new flavor in the market, which is the banana flavor ice cream, and which mix in the vanilla flavor, and which people are like most, because this one is the first strategy implemented by the Tip Top ice cream, which is a very important for in the productive market. So now the banana flavor is very limited in the stock. So now the Tip Top try to make more effort to produce more and rich flavor in the market. I will show the one video how the Tip Top ice cream started the business, and how they produce and how they operate in the market to satisfy the customer. So annual revenue of around $101 million USA, with 400 direct companies employees. So this is the total revenue of the Tip Top ice cream. So I will show the video.
Well, I think Tip Top really stands out because we're New Zealand's #1 ice cream. We've had 80 years of heritage and expertise in making ice cream. A few years ago, consumers were becoming more and more vocal that they wanted our products to be all natural, so all natural colours and flavours, and with no palm oil in the ingredients. Took a lot of hard effort, and over about 2 years, we're able to make that change. And I feel from a social conscious perspective that it's important that I believe in the products that we sell, and that they are the best that they could be for people, and they're also the best as they could be for our environment. So it makes me really proud to work for Tip Top.
I joined Tip Top at the start of 2012 to move all of Tip Top's products to palm oil free, all natural colours, all natural flavours. It sounded like a massive piece of work and I was really interested for a challenge, so basically joined the company specifically to work on that. We had to go through our entire catalogue of products, go through every single ingredient and understand whether or not it had palm oil, because we didn't use palm oil directly at all, but through our ingredients such as cookies, things like the coating on the hokey pokey, the waffle cones, there was a lot of palm oil right through. From my perspective, the importance of removing palm oil really comes down to the fact that there's so much slash and burn around the world. I mean, in particular throughout Southeast Asia, they're cutting down forests to plant palm oil. I feel really proud. I mean, I think coming into a business like this, running a project like that, we really felt like it was a future-proofing project. It wasn't a money-making project. So we've sort of future-proofed ourselves now, and it gives us the opportunity of having a really good launch pad to work from in terms of all future new product development.
Thank you for watching. As we see in the videos, how they make a, how they make the taste and flavors in the research center, and how they implement in the ice cream, and you can see which is very productive and attractive way to promote their business in the market and attract more customers. So they are like around 80 or 90% people in New Zealand, in all over the world, use Tip Top ice creams, and they enjoy in the summer, in the winter as well. There are no weather condition they like in the winter. No people like ice creams. They are more crazy about their Tip Top flavors. They also excited when they introduce new product in the market. So people are very crazy about the Tip Top flavors, because they know they provide a very rich and quality of products in the markets. Next please. As the basis of electronic marketing and brand management, the internet, everyone knows that is a very important role in the market. E-marketing also provide a money making profit to the company. So they also introduce the business in the social media sites. So there are kind of social medias, like around 8 or 9 social media tools where they launch their product, and they promote their varieties, flavors, and other things on the tools. And you can see the picture. There are many social media tools like YouTube. So basically they promote the most business on a YouTube and Facebook. You can see on the Facebook there are many kind of varieties and many promotional way things they promote in the Facebook. And they also monthly they produce vouchers and discount offers and new varieties, new flavors to the customers. And every company employs internet as a source of brand imagine across the platforms. Outsourced internal marketing campaigns are cost effective need for providing a clear defined missions. So as we see, watch in the videos, they also sponsor, and they also donate the money to wildlife, for animals. So they protect their wildlife as well. So which is a very good for a business. They also sponsor the some rugby matches also, and invest some money in the good shares market and the other business as well in all over the world. And they, because of cost effectiveness also very important for the business, and also set the mission of the company in the future. Next please. And the electronic marketing and brand management development of a good reputation. So electronic media also set the reputation of the brand and brand image, as well as the perception of customers' mind, what they think about their brand and what they want from the company. So reputation of a brand that develop over time with the service and product quality delivered. So basically Tip Top ice cream, the main focus deliver the very rich quality and a natural ingredient to the customer, so they can get a more profit in the future. So website design, as we see in the picture, the website design of the Tip Top ice cream in the Facebook, and you can see the Tip Top how they promote their logo on the Instagram and the other social media tools. So this is the way they set the design, graphics, palettes, color palettes, and audio visual keys or formulating and heading the logo of the Tip Top ice cream. So this is the electronic media which they use by the Tip Top ice cream. Next please. And this is the news alert. I cannot be able to log in the Facebook account on the PC, but I will show how they news alert on the Facebook. So see, news alert: Tip Top Whitkery Peanut Slab Ice Cream bar is back in a stock. If you missed out the first time, grab one today. This bar is very famous and very popular in the market. The last year is a limited stock, but the customer demand is very high, so that they get it back in the market. So they put a alert on the social media. As I will share the video, Facebook video link, you can grab it and you can copy paste on your Facebook account, and you can see what the peanut Whitkery ice cream, Tip Top ice cream in the market and the customers. So this is my part, which I introduction. I will share everything about the companies. So if you want me any question, ask me free.
Yes, anybody has a question in the class? No question? So basically, your aspect is about the form of electronic aspect of marketing used in brand management. Is that not it?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the major challenge? Because as part of that, what is the major issue that Tip Top is having as far as your research is concerned?
Yeah, the major issue for the Tip Top is the cost leadership. Major challenge as well, because Tip Top have many competitors in the market, such as Vatis, Value, and the other brand as well. So they provide the same quality, I'm not saying like the quality, the same product and a flavor in the market. But the Tip Top ice cream also have a good prices and reasonable prices according to the quantity. So in the market you can see the small quantity and the big quantity of the product to the customers. So the customer can choose their product according their choice, according their budget. So this is the challenge. And the other challenge is also now the people want to mixed fruit ice cream for expectation from the Tip Top ice cream. Now they first start banana ice cream. Now they launch in the market in the future mixed fruit ice cream, which
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Let's clap for her.